This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com. Welcome students. In this video, we will have practice about future perfect tense. But before we start practice, I will just recap the tense for you. So there are two helping verbs. The first one is will have, and the other one is shall have. And we use third form of the verb. If you look at this word file, you can see there are some sentences which are of past perfect tense. The reason I left these sentences there, so just to let you know that we can convert one sentence into 12 different tenses if we have complete command over language. But for now, since you are learning and it's a mid-basic level, I just will give you a small example that how do we use or convert a sentence into any other tense we want, let's say. So let's start the practice and let's start converting these sentences. The first one is he had gone to school, so we'll mention here he will have gone to school, and here it will be he will not have gone to school, and here it will be will he have gone to school. The next one is she had, so it will become she will have eaten food. She will not have eaten food. Will she have eaten food? It's super easy. If you know the language, it's fun to practice. I will have, I shall have practiced. I shall not have practiced. Shall I have practiced? They shall have visited this mall. They shall not have visited this mall. Shall they have visited this mall? We shall have purchased this property. We shall not have purchased this property. Shall we have purchased this property? You shall have bought this ticket. You shall not have bought this ticket. Shall you have bought this ticket? I shall have read this book. I shall not have read this book. Shall I have read this book? She will have gone for shopping. She will not have gone for shopping. Will she have gone for shopping? And then we have we had. We'll convert this into we shall have reviewed this product. We shall not have reviewed this product. Shall we have reviewed this product? You shall have traveled. You shall not have traveled. Shall you have traveled? She will have used this perfume. She will not have used this perfume. Will she have used this perfume? He will have played. He will not have played. Will he have played? They shall have gone to restaurant. They shall not have gone to restaurant. Shall they have gone to restaurant? We shall have slept. We shall not have slept. Shall we have slept? I shall have purchased this laptop. I shall not have purchased this laptop. Shall I have purchased this laptop? They shall have eaten all the fruit. They shall not have eaten all the fruit. Shall they have eaten all the fruit? She will have applied for a new job. She will not have applied for a new job. Will she have applied for a new job? You shall have finished this course. You shall not have finished this course. Shall you have finished this course? They shall have applied for visa. They shall not have applied for visa. Shall they have applied for visa? You shall have opened your bank account. You shall not have opened your bank account. Shall you have opened your bank account? She will have gone to salon. She will not have gone to salon. Will she have gone to salon? I shall have played well. I shall not have played well. Shall I have played? Shall I have played well? It is truly fun when you start working with tenses. It needs a lot of practice and patience. In order to be fluent and comfortable and having the best command possible, you need to have a lot of vocabulary, and you need to know tenses in a perfect way. And that's how you will have a strong command over language. You need to practice a lot. And what I expect from you, if you are trying to learn a language, that you need to have multiple streams working for you. I mean, you need to practice by writing or typing, then you need to read, and then you need to speak. All these three exercises will help and ensure your better learning. On the other side, you need to give a command to your mind that it needs to start thinking in English. And that's how your mind will look for new words and new vocabulary. It will be easy for your mind to store them for you, so you can use them whenever you need. I hope you enjoyed this video and you have learned from this video. Happy learning, and I will see you in next video. Thank you. Bye now. This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com.